All right, welcome back. So I'll quickly be showing us how we can get our access pins. But please note that this platform can be accessed from any mobile device provided you have data on it. So if it's your mobile phone or your tab, just open up the browser on your device and connect using the URL. That's the web address, and you'll be just fine. This platform is actually designed to work with any browser at all, so whether it's your Microsoft Edge or your Opera Mini or your Google Chrome or Firefox or Safari for those of us that are using MacBooks and iPhone and other iOS devices. Of course, you can also have access to the platform. So the platform is configured to work with whichever browser you're using at all. So I'll quickly show us how we can actually get the access cards through the platform. Okay, let me quickly take this down because I'm actually using my laptop. So I would like to show us from scratch how you can get to that point. So okay, I will choose okay, I'll use my Google Chrome. That's my preferred browser. So I'll come to the address bar here and I'll put in the URL for the platform. Now the URL is www.rsubeb.net. I'll take that again. www.rsubeb.net. I'll take that one more time. www.rsubeb.net. So I'll click the enter button and we wait. Alright, so it brings us to the home page. It brings us back to the home page, and already we can see there's a link here for those of us that want to get the access card. If you don't want to use that, of course you can also come to the student module at this corner here and just click on purchase pin. Now it's just beside the registration icon, but since we have a link here, I'll just click on that. Okay, and then it brings us to the online payment options. First of all, I want to sincerely apologize for the inconveniences caused. I know some of us would prefer to walk into a bank to get the access card, or would rather want to use our ATM at ATM machines and do the needful and get the card. And we can also choose to use the USSD, yes, for entering the code, and then the access card details are sent directly to your mobile phone. We sincerely apologize for the inconveniences, but we promise that as soon as possible all these channels will be up and running, and then you can choose to use whichever channel you prefer that is best applicable to you. You can just come here and get your pin. But for now, we're using the online gateway. So I will click on vend pin now. Okay, so it brings us to this page. We can see here there's an instruction. After enter email, it says the email must be the same email used for registration. That is, this email that will be used for payment now for the child must be the same email that will be used for the registration of the child. I think that is clear enough. So whichever email you are going to put in here, make sure that is the same email you use